As you could see in the previous video, I'm going to collect the second car. Now one thing worries me, and that is that I don't have much battery on my phone and I couldn't find my external battery. Just waiting for my Uber now, heading to the train station, and hopefully I'll get back to Manheim in about 2 hours if I don't have to walk again. Fingers crossed. Right, I'm nearly there. It was a nightmare, to be fair. 2 trains got cancelled, so I had to wait. It was very busy. The tubes were so crowded you couldn't even find a seat. But yeah, this is an adventure. Hello again. And there it is, guys. Just had the keys collected from the security man, who's a really nice guy. He even asked me if I can help him to buy a car, and he's working from Manheim, but he's a subcontractor. So he said he wants to buy a Mercedes, something like 2010, 2011, something like that. I told him I'm going to sell him this car after I get it inspected and all that, but he decided he's going to speak to his colleagues to see if they can help him out with that. But yeah, that is the car. I just got it collected, just got the keys. It has only one key. Now the reason the car was not delivered by road is because, let me see if I can find it, is on one of the tires. Oh, I can't remember which one it is, but it's got like a something on the side. It's not too bad, but they won't deliver it, so I'll collect it myself. Got a few scratches on the bonnet, not the end of the world. It's gonna polish out. The alloys, they are okay-ish. They're okay for the mileage. It's done 107,000 if I can remember right. Here it needs a little bit touch-up paint. The back looks nice. I really like the tail lights on this car. Again, needs some touch-up paint over there and over there. Little bit around here. Here's got a dent, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that fixed or leave it as it is, because this car is gonna retail for 3.5. And there is the security man. What was your name?
Osman.
Osman, yes.
You're good, yeah. The car is not bad, yeah.
I get a thumbs up from you, yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll sell quick. Hopefully.
Good, yeah.
It's strong.
Yeah, nice car, yeah.
Thank you.
You in the YouTube?
Yes.
All right, okay, all right. Okay,
You can subscribe to my channel. Take care. Right, let's see the car inside. So I didn't open the car yet. There's the interior. Nice seats, a bit dirty. I'll get them sorted. The back looks alright. The steering wheel is not worn. It looks good. Yeah, it's a very tidy car. Well, it's a bit dirty now because obviously it's been sitting here for a while. Let's check the boot. Boot is quite big. Expect to be much smaller. Oh, we got floor mats, we got locking wheel nut, lots of things in here, which is good to see. Now let's pop the bonnet for a second. Okay, it doesn't open for some reason. What? Don't tell me it's stuck. That's not going to be good. Let me check if I'm pulling from the right. Oh, it's got the OBD there. This should be the... Oh, that's it. I had to pull a bit harder. Never had a Mercedes for sale. Yeah, it definitely needs some love. On the report it says the oil, the coolant and everything is fine, but when I take it off I'm just gonna check the oil just to make sure it's all good. There's a tiny bit oil over there, but that's from when they topped up probably. You see the belt, it looks fairly new, which is a good sign. Can't remember if it has service history, but it does have a service book in there. Just gonna have a quick look on that. There's one issue, and that is it's getting dark now and I'm still wearing sunglasses. These are prescription sunglasses, but I think I'll be fine. By the time I get home it won't get dark. I haven't got my other glasses on me, so fingers crossed. Right, the car does have some service there and some invoices, but to save some time I'll go through these once I get home. I'll just try to, oh, it's got even more over there. I'll just try to get the car taxed and on my insurance, so I can head home. Okay, let's just see what the engine sounds like. Started nicely, not too bad. It's got some fuel in, but I don't think that's going to be enough to get me home, because I never had a Mercedes before, so I don't know what they like on fuel. The infotainment was working.
Jack Barnett joins me now, economics and markets reporter at City. Jack, very good evening to you.
Right, I'll try all the buttons and everything once I'm on my way or when I get home. Yeah, the car sounds nice. Let's give it a rev. Oh, I didn't like that. I think something is vibrating at high revs. Well, I'm not sure what that is, but I'll get it checked. Right, I'm gonna get the car taxed now. Or let me check the AC first. Please work. Hot air, that's not a good sign. Leave it run for a second, because at the moment it's still hot air. Yeah, no, I don't think it's working. It's very hot. But look at this, you can change the gears from here. Fancy. Never had one of these. Right, first I'll be heading to the petrol station to get some fuel, and hopefully the gearbox is okay. Fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. I bet I look like an idiot in a Mercedes at 8 PM with the sunglasses on. Now, the car is driving lovely so far. I've put about 20 pounds of petrol in, which is only 10 liters, I know. The gearbox changes nicely, is nice and smooth. I mean, you can tell it's a Mercedes, even if it's a cheap one, it's still Mercedes. The only issues I found, obviously the AC is boiling hot in here, so I'm trying to finish this video as soon as possible. One bearing is making a noise, and the front two wheels, they're making a knock when I go over speed bumps. So they probably drop links, or don't know. I don't know. I'll take it to the garage and they can have a look at it. Pretty much everything works as it should. Cruise control works fine. you guys know how to check the range you've got left on this Mercedes, please let me know in the comment section below, because I couldn't find it. I've got quarter of a tank. It should be enough for 40 miles. I don't think this car is so thirsty. I've got 34 miles left. I'm just hoping it's not gonna get too dark, otherwise won't be able to see. One thing that the guy told me, the security guy, he said that this side, the Wimbledon one, is shutting down completely in 2 months time. I haven't heard about that, and lately I started to buy quite a few cars from here, because I've noticed that the diesel cars are selling for much less on this side, because obviously it's right next to the ULEZ zone. But for me, being outside London, it's fine, because I got people coming from up north. For example, tomorrow I've got somebody coming from 2 hours away to buy the Qashqai. Well, hopefully they're gonna buy it. Yeah, I'll update you on the way if I find anything else on the car. Another thing I forgot to mention, and that is the seat doesn't go forward or backward, so it feels like something is broken underneath. I tried to have a quick look before I left from Manheim, but couldn't find the problem. Hopefully it's an easy fix. Now, I was supposed to make, I was supposed to record when I get back with the Mercedes, but for somehow I left my camera running and it overheat, and I couldn't turn it on anymore. So I had to leave it until the next day, which was yesterday, and just now I'm recording this. But at this time, the Mercedes is already in the workshop, because I need that car done as soon as possible, because on Monday, Tuesday I'm going to Snowdonia, and I'm planning to use the Mercedes because it has automatic gearbox and cruise control. It's not the greatest car on fuel. I've sold pretty much all the cars that were good on fuel, yeah, I'm planning to use this car, so I need it done as soon as possible. But I'll keep you updated how I prep the cars and all that. So please subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch up on the next one. Bye.